loves, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, then welcome to my channel. My name is Brenda. So for today's video, I created this look using the 35M Boss Mood palette. I have had this palette forever and I've just never really played with it, so I decided to play with it. This palette is so pretty, and this is the look that I came up with right here. I think it's so stunning. So if you guys are interested to see how I achieved it, then just keep on watching.
Stop watching, my neck is flossy. Make big deposits, my gloss is popping. You like my hair?
So using that pink shade, I'm going to be applying that to my crease, and I'm using a very fluffy brush. So first I'm packing on the color and I'm just swiping back and forth, and then I'm going back and I am blending out the edges. So I'm gonna go in with this shade next. It is a tad bit darker. So with this shade, I am just gonna be packing this on to my crease. I'm just trying to kind of layer up the pinks, so that is why I am using the same tones, and I'm just going to be applying this one more towards my crease, and I am not going to bring it up too much. I'm just going to focus that there. And I'm going to go back with the same brush I used on the first shade. I'm not going to be applying any more product, but I will be using it with the product that is left to blend out the edges and make sure that the transition from one pink to the other is very nice and soft. So to deepen this up even more, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this shade right here. So once again, I am layering the pinks. I am going from lighter to darker. This shade is a little bit darker, so again, I will be just applying that on my crease and making sure that the transition and that the blend are very nice and soft. I'm gonna go in with this deep purple right here, and I just am going to create dimension. I never like to do my foundation because I feel like I'm gonna get fallout from my eyeshadow, but this palette has given me no fallout whatsoever. So with this shade, I am just deepening up the whole look. I am going for a very smoky look. So with this color, what I'm going to do is that I am still trying to transition the colors and make sure that they blend well. So since I will be going in with the black, this color is just so that the transition can be smooth. And I am just going to apply that all the way to the outer corner of my eye. So now I'm going to grab that first color that we dipped into, and I'm going to use it to blend out the edges on this look. I am trying to make sure there are no harsh edges and all the colors are blended together. So I'm going to be cleaning up my lid with my flat brush and my concealer, and I'm just going to be carving out kind of like a half cut crease is what I'm going to be going for. And this is just going to help our color go on way more brighter and pigmented. So going in with the black from this palette, which is a matte, I'm just going to be applying that as if it was a liner on my eye, and this is going to create a really nice and smoky effect on the whole look. So I'm just going to be applying that to my lash line and then blending it in with the purple that we put in the outer corner. So for my lid, I'm going to be taking this purple right here because it is just a really pretty purple and it stands out the most to me. So now that our lid color is on, I'm going to go in with the flat brush, and with that same black matte shade, I'm just going to clean up the black parts, and I'm going to make sure that there is no fallout and that the line is very sharp. Okay, so now that we're almost done, I'm gonna go back with the concealer and I'm just gonna clean out the outer edges, make sure that there is a sharp line and no fallout. With the black, I'm just gonna blend that a little closer to the waterline. So to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. No look is complete without the lashes, so I'm just gonna go in with my favorite lashes. Guys, these lashes are super bomb and they are only like $2 for 5 pairs, so I will be linking those down below if you guys are interested in checking them out. I'm gonna go in with my Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in the shade Truffle. On top, I'm gonna be applying the Becca Liquid Crystal Lip Topper, and I don't know if this has a shade, but I'm gonna just apply it so I can put some gloss on top. Okay guys, this is the finished look right here. I really loved it, so I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you are new to my channel, do not leave without subscribing and hitting the bell notification so you do not miss an upload from me. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, comment down below what you think on today's look. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys on my next video.